interfering numbers or put in such, difficult, say in this case, a height, a measurement, or anything for that matter. You cannot interfere with that. So this is exactly what the court needs to do. Is with all due respect, that they have to, for once and all, give a precedent that this is not going to happen. So it's time. I think they recall the judgment and earlier judgment, and then remove this definition aspect. Of course, other things can always be part of it, can be discussed, and between the whatever the report says and what the experts are saying, what citizens, everyone is saying. So I think that needs to be done very boldly, because one decision like this will actually matter. I know there's not going to be any decision today, as in today. This is take long, but let's not bring it into more complications. What we do now will depend on, see how we are choking, and we're choking in winter. Believe me, we will be choking throughout the year. The way we still have pollution, but then it will be like complete PM10. This is the last lungs that is saving Delhi NCR. So I think something that really needs to be looked into scientifically.